Find or read reviews that people are talking about QYCAITEK Bluetooth Headphones 5.3, Stereo Wireless Earbuds. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 50 hours of playback and dual LED display. Each in-ear earbuds last up to 8 hours on a single charge and up to 50 hours of playback with the charging case, providing an exceptional long-lasting experience. In addition, the Bluetooth earbuds feature a smart LED display that visually shows the power level. Bluetooth 5.3 and one-step auto-renewal. Bluetooth earphones use the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology for more stable transmission and longer range, offering an uninterrupted calling and music experience. After the first pairing, simply remove both wireless earbuds from the charging case to pair automatically. Clear calls and smart Touché. Each earphone has two built-in microphones for calls, which can accurately capture your voice while reducing ambient noise so that others can hear you clearly while you are talking. The smart Touché control of the earphones can perfectly meet your daily needs and bring more convenience to your life. Comfortable fit and easy to carry. Each noise-canceling earbud weighs about 4 grams and the whole wireless headsets weighs 40 grams, stable and comfortable to wear with 3 different sizes of soft earbuds to fit different ear canals. While the compact and fashionable charging case can be put in your pocket easily and conveniently to carry around. IPX7 waterproof and essential for running, the wireless earphones are very comfortable to wear and won't come loose, whether you do intense exercise or wear them for long periods of time. The wireless Bluetooth headphones are IPX7 waterproof and resist sweat, rain, and light splashes, so they can be worn while exercising and running. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.